Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious and easy pork curry. We'll start by gathering all our ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of pork shoulder, cut into bite-sized pieces, along with fresh aromatics like onions, garlic, and ginger. Don't forget your spices, including 2 tablespoons of curry powder and 1 teaspoon of turmeric, plus 1 can of creamy coconut milk to bring it all together. This simple recipe is perfect for any weeknight meal. Now let's build our flavor base. Begin by heating 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a large pot or Dutch oven over medium heat. Add your chopped onions and saute them until they become translucent and sweet, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Next, stir in the minced garlic and grated ginger, cooking for just 1 minute until their wonderful aroma fills your kitchen. Finally, add your pork cubes and brown them nicely on all sides for about 8 minutes. With the pork browned, it's time to introduce our vibrant spices. Sprinkle in 2 tablespoons of curry powder and 1 teaspoon of turmeric, stirring constantly for about 1 minute to toast them and release their full aroma. Then, pour in 1 can of creamy coconut milk and 1 cup of water or broth. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low cover and let it cook for about 45 minutes, allowing the pork to become tender and absorb all those wonderful flavors. After simmering, your pork curry should be rich and fragrant. Check the pork for tenderness. It should be easily pierced with a fork. Now is the perfect time to taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and pepper to your liking. For a fresh finish, garnish your curry with some chopped fresh cilantro or green onions. Serve this delightful pork curry hot with fluffy steamed rice or warm naan bread for a truly satisfying meal. Enjoy your homemade culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.